Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Mushakal Me, and I'm back with yet another nail art video. And in this week's video I'll be showing you how to create this beautiful negative space no water marble flower nail art. Oh my god, such a long name. So let's get started. All the products that I've used for this tutorial will be mentioned in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. So I'll be using a green polish, a nude pink polish, a pink polish or a dark pink polish, you can say, a top coat, a nail art tool or a dotting tool, even a toothpick would do, and a cello tape. I'll be using Scotch tape to get a crisp line here because it's negative space, so half your nail won't be covered with nail polish. So now with the help of all the colors I'll be layering it one below the other like so. So with the green polish I'm going over with 2 coats because it's very thin polish, but it's a beautiful color. So next will be the nude polish. You can use any colors of your choice, it's not necessary that you use the same colors that I have chosen here. So the final one will be the dark pink shade. Now with the help of your dotting tool or toothpick, you're going to form strokes or petals like so. So from the top to bottom you're going to pull the dotting tool through like so. And if there is excess polish, because you're doing a no water marble nail art, there will be excess polish. So with the help of the dotting tool you can remove that off. See, this is the way you can just remove it. Don't put pressure on the dotting tool, otherwise you'll scrape the nail polish. And I'll be applying little pink here because it just got wiped out when I was removing the excess polish. So here it is. So now with the next nail I'll be using the same technique here. Repeat the same steps for all the other nails. I hope you all are watching my videos, and on YouTube there are very many nail art videos, and I like crocheting, so there are many DIY videos too, DIY crocheting videos I would say. So don't forget to check that out guys, and do subscribe to my channel and show me some love, and don't forget to even follow me on Instagram and Facebook. So I'm basically repeating the same steps here. You can adjust the strokes as per your liking. This is how your nails should look like once you're done. So on that bare nail we are going to do a full flower. So I'll be applying 2 to 3 coats of this green polish here. I have very thin small nails or small cuticles, you can say. So 3 coats of green polish, and the next colors I'll be applying it in a circular manner. So the nude polish in the circular manner, and then goes the nude pink and then the dark pink. Now with the help of the same dotting tool, or even you can use a toothpick, I'll be creating strokes from outward to inward. So strokes from out to in, out to in. this is the formation of petals. You can adjust it as per your liking. I know there's a lot of polish on that nail, so once you're done, you need to give it plenty of time to dry before you apply a good top coat. So this is how I'm adjusting with the dark pink shade here.
There's nothing left for me to do than run and act myself.
Once your nail art completely dries up, apply a good layer of top coat to seal in your nail art. You can even use rhinestones or a glitter top coat to decorate this nail art, but I wanted to go for a simple yet beautiful nail art. And here you have it, a beautiful negative space, no water marble flower nail art. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel Mushakal Me, and follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.